Reading comprehension goes beyond simply decoding words, phrases, sentences, paragraphs, and other formal text. It is a fundamental skill that grants an individual the ability to understand text and create an interpretation of what was read. It is an important skill that an individual must possess at an early age in order to become successful in their academic endeavors and to meet the demands of life.
As future educators, teaching learners about reading comprehension should be engaging and interactive. This involves asking questions and manipulating words in order to fully understand what was read. That is why we have implemented a teaching strategy that involves interaction and engagement. And this strategy is what we call manipulating sentence building.
What exactly is manipulative sentence building as a teaching strategy? This specific teaching strategy aims to enhance and develop the reading comprehension skills of learners by arranging words to form basic sentences.
Step 1. Familiarizing and understanding sentences. The first step is to let the learners read each sentence and explain to them the meaning of it. This includes defining each word and explaining the whole meaning of the sentences. In this way, learners will be able to familiarize and comprehend the sentence, which will be helpful in arranging the words later on.
Okay, James, una sa lahat, papabasa ko muna sa iyo yung number 2, no? Pakibasa nga, basahin mo nga.
Pigs, cows, and chicken live in farms. Ano?
Ang ibig sabihin niyan is yung pigs daw, yung cows, at saka yung chicken is nakatira sa farm na. O ngayon, pwede bang i-arrange mo dyan yung mga sentence katulad ng mga nandito rin?
So, sige, pakibasa na natin. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, yung lista ay sinisip na yung water para. So, ano ang ibig sabihin niya? So, gusto ko sanang ipabuo sa number. Pwede pakita. Step arranging the words, also known as manipulative sentence building. In this step, there will be cutouts of group of words become sentences. Take note that these words are the same as what learners have read in step 1. Then, the learners will need to arrange these words to form a correct sentence. To support the learners while arranging the words, there will be printed image related to each group of words to increase the chances of correctly arranging the words. In our lecture, we have discussed the basic parts of the body, parts of the plant, and animal body. This is to further enhance the reading comprehension skills acquired in step 1, which is familiarizing and understanding the sentences. And in step 2, manipulating and arranging words. Okay, James, explain mo nga yung manipulating sentence. Ang mga pig, cows, at chicken ay nakatira sa farm. Good. Kaya pwede makibasa yung nabuo ng sentence. So, ano yung pagkakaintindi mo?
So, nabuo na yung mga words mo or pwedeng paki-explain sa amin kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng nabuo ng sentence.
Ano sinabi ko na?
Very good.
That's it. It is fun, engaging, interactive at the same time, right? It is easy to implement these strategies as long as your learners are eager to participate and motivated. This is why effective motivation is important before jumping into the lecture. However, you may need a lot of instructional materials like printing and cutting, which may be costly for some. But if you utilize using digital technologies,
So always remember to be prepared physically and financially. Also, this strategy is mostly effective to young learners, such as those who are in preschool, since it requires motor abilities and cognitive function, which children are very active in.
That concludes our short video about this teaching strategy called manipulative sentence building. We hope that you have learned a lot about this strategy.
We also hope that you consider this strategy when enhancing and developing your learners' reading comprehension skills.